Alright, so for this week's video, I chose number 8 from our review questions, which says, are local students more likely to have a good exam average than non-local students? For the purpose of this exercise, anything 75 or higher is considered a good score for the discussion percent and for the exam percent with no XP. So, for my null hypothesis down here, I said that local and non-local students do the same on exams. And then for my alternative hypothesis, I said local students are more likely to have a good score. So then up here is the data. This first column is just the order of how the scores were listed, so like person number 1, person number 2, 3, and so on. The middle column is their score on the exams with no XP, or their exam percent, not score. And then this third column is how many people in each group got good scores. So, coming down here, for the local group, 10 out of 15 people had good scores, which reduces to 2/3 for my purposes. And for non-local, only 5 out of 15 people got a good score. So then coming over here, here are those proportions, so 2/3, 1/3. This is the formula for the test statistic, which is what I used. Yeah, like the T table and all that, what we just did in this last module. And then, yeah, that's the formula for the standard error. So this is all my math. Each group had 15 people, so that's why those are like that. And then, yeah. So for my standard error, I got 0.172. And then I brought that down here to use to find my test statistic, which I got 1.938, but I couldn't find that in the table that I used, and so instead I used the next closest, which was 2.048. And because of this, I got a p-value of 0.025, which leads me to reject my null hypothesis, saying that local and non-local students do the same. So for my conclusion, I want to say that local students, on average, have a better chance of getting a good score than non-local students do. Alright, so if you see anything I did wrong or anything that needs clarification, don't be afraid to ask. Thank you.